Let us close our eyes for a moment. With deep love, let us think of God, who is omnipresent. Let us think of all the divine incarnations. I bow to God. I bow to all the masters of all times and all places. I bow to my beloved Gurudev. I bow to all of you. And I bow to the entire universe as the living presence of God. Good evening to all of you. It is by the grace of God and Sri Gurudev we have assembled here to commemorate the 50th years of Sri Gurudev's coming to Americas, including Canada. We are here in Vancouver this evening, and we listen to beautiful, heart and soul stirring devotional song. Mhare ghara aoji, come to my home. Mother Meera sang. सांवरी यमुना किनारे मेरा गांव. My beloved, my home is on the bank of Yamuna. Chidananda Rupaha Shivoham Shivoham. These three beautiful devotional songs were taking me to a different state. Where is your home? Where is your village? Who is your father? Who is your mother? Why did you come here? What are you doing? Did you ever think? Worldly answers we give. My home is in this place. My village or city is there. Name of our father and mother. But this is not the real answer. In the world we live, it is a beautiful abode of the divine. God created this beautiful universe, stars and planets. It is everything in order. Although we, the human beings, create disorders. The sun rises and sets. There is a particular time for every day, and we know it. Full moon and new moon, everything come in sequence. But what happened? The seasons were coming in order, but now there is disorder in seasons. I was in Sao Paulo. At 3 o'clock, I got up, listening to the chirping of birds. I asked the Swami there, what happened so early? And the answer was, the birds are confused. Because of the city life. And when the traffic starts, they think the time is to get up. Everywhere there is disorder. And how to bring the order? Suppose you have a BMW motor car. I don't know if anybody knows what is BMW, the full form. If you have a motor car, it might be expensive, and the motor car should be in good condition. It is up to you. You might have bought good car. It should be maintained. Do you know, God has given us few gifts. Along with this beautiful universe, beautiful, amazing earth, plants, birds, animals, everything, we the humans. To each one of us, God has given a beautiful body. This body, Jesus said, destroy this temple. Temple means the body. Body is your temple. In the Bible it is said, don't you know that your body is the temple of God? Upanishad teaches, Deha Devalaya Prakta. Body is the temple. Body is your home. Body is compared with a tree. Body is compared with a chariot. Body is compared with a piece of cloth. And I don't want to tell this comparison. St. Francis told my brother donkey. Body is also a donkey. God has given another beautiful gift. Gift is mind. When I speak of mind, along with mind, God has given us intellect, memory, and ego. Along with mind. God has given us, again, the gift. Gift is a brain and the spine. God has given us gift. Few years time to each one of us. Time is counted and limited. God has given us gift. Talent. Talent to each one of us. Just to think, we observed, enjoyed the performance of two beautiful artists. Talent. Somebody is singing so beautiful. Another is playing with his fingers on the tabla, drums, creating such beautiful music. I'll tell a story. The story is one early morning, a beggar made the people wake up. They were sleeping. And there was a rich family, they also wake up. Waking up, they saw what is happening. And he was playing with a veena. Veena is a musical string instrument. They said, oh, this is our veena. It was useless. We threw it in the, outside garbage. The rich people said, the beggar, he said, yes, I saw it. Then I tuned up. I found it is not useless, it is useful. And I played because I know how to play on the veena. And this music came. Then the rich man's family, they told, return this veena. It is ours. The beggar said, no, I'll not give you back. I found it from the way. And one who doesn't know how to use veena will keep in home, thinking after some time useless, maybe the cat will jump, make the veena fall, and making a commotion at midnight, disturbing your sleep. Veena is useful for the person who knows how to use it. So I know it, how to use. Body is an instrument, musical instrument. तन की तंबुरा में से श्वास की तार बोले जय सिया राम राम, जय राधे श्याम श्याम. The body is the veena, tambura, tanpura. Shwas ki tar, the string of breath, it's singing, chanting continuously. Jai Shri Ram Ram, Jai Radhe Shyam Shyam. Oh God, beautiful. Oh God, beautiful. God has given so much gifts to us. What are you doing? God has given beautiful abilities to speak. Each our speech or communication is like a song. If it is music, for example, as you heard, one who is singing is enjoying. I'll take a pause here. Gurudev said, one who sings enjoys the song himself or herself first, then others. So one who is singing is enjoying her music or his music. And those who are listening, they are also enjoying. Just to think, in our daily life, do we enjoy our life moment to moment? Do we allow others around us, maybe family members, maybe in workplace, wherever, do they enjoy my company? Or they're fed up, they're tired? Where is the problem? The problem is we are not tuning up our body, our mind properly to sing. Life is a song, sing it. Life is a game, play it. Life is a journey, walk. Life is a pilgrimage, offer prayer. Life is an opportunity, use it. My Gurudev used to say, opportunity must not be neglected, for it may never return. My friend, our body is a BMW motor car. I'm not promoting BMW company. They're not paying me anything. Body is a motor car. This body has a driver. Who is the driver? Body is a motor car. Just like the motor car has light, motor car has horn to honk. This body has eyes, ears, nose, all this, mouth, the sense organs. Body has, when I say body, to me, it is interesting. Ordinarily, the body which you think of body, it is a gross body. Gross means physical body, which you can touch, which you can smell. Body you can smell. Somebody's body doesn't smell so good. And you don't know the mouth. Mouth smells bad. Not only with smell, bad odor, bad breath, but also bad mouthed. You know what is bad mouth mean. So this gross body, we have to tune up. This body has 6 characteristics, 6 qualities, modification. The body is born one day. We have a birth date. Body exists. It's existing for a few years. We know our age, but how long it will exist, we don't know. Yesterday's healthy body, today is sick, tomorrow goodbye. It happens. Many of my friends, many of my youngers, when I hear the news, they are gone. Body is born, body exists, body grows up, but body grows up to an age. Up to an age, for example, the body will grow up to the 20s lengthwise, height. And if we are not careful, body will grow afterwards in the width. It will become like this. Yesterday in the flight, I saw a mother. She was sitting in the front when she came and when she sat, because she was just in my front, and when she got up and when she was leaving, I was just praying for her. The body grows, body degenerates, body is prone to diseases. It is said, Sariram Vyathi Mandiram. Human body is the temple of diseases. And finally, death. How beautiful this body is. You might decorate your body every day. Take care of it. What is the end? It is in the burial ground or in cremation. This body is going towards where? You will tell towards end. But this body is useful. This is temple. We have to tune up this body. How to tune up this body? So long as this body is there, we have to take care of it. Most of us, we try to take care of the outside of the body, the skin. We wash our body, use soap, shampoo, cream, this, that, and we clean outside of the body, but how many of us clean inside of the body? You will tell, what is to clean inside of the body? My friend, cleaning inside the body, tuning up, needs few things. What is the body needs every day? Proper activities and proper rest. Body needs movement. Suppose there is a fan, ventilator. If you don't use for some time, when you switch on, sometimes it may talk sound. Body, every joint should be used. If we are not using every joint, it will create problem. Body's every muscle should be used. So to keep the body healthy, fit, we have to use every joint, every muscle through proper movement. This morning, when I went to walk in a nearby park, early in the morning, little after 6, outside cool breeze, cool air, so beautiful. Springtime, trees loaded with flowers, green leaves coming up, the birds are chirping, squirrel dancing, and rabbits, so beautiful. We have to use this body. If you don't use, don't know what will happen. Used less is useless. Body becomes sick. Use or lose it. If you don't use, you are losing the opportunity, God-given opportunity, this body. So now again I have to tell you, body should be, what to be done? It is to be used every day and it should be given proper rest. Use regular exercises, body needs, and proper rest at night. Nowadays, our modern lifestyle, the night has become day. The world has become global materially. The world is divided and become, small, and this through politics, through business, and so on. Economics globally, business. So people in India sitting at night working. Why? Because it is daytime in USA. So they are not sleeping at night. We become sick. We run to the hospital. The hospital staff, the nurses, doctors, they don't sleep at night. And they invite, after a few years of doing seva to us, service, they also, because body needs, unfortunately. Now, body needs proper fuel, motor car. Body needs proper fuel. What is the fuel? Food. How is your food? How is your drink? Are they healthy? Healthy food, healthy drink. Sometimes I make little joke. Joke is, God has created beautiful fruits. Eat it, chew, 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 chew. My Gurudev used to say, chew so long as it becomes fit to drink. He said, chew 30, 40, 50, 100 times. Chew. I thought, oh God, how to chew so long? Maybe Gurudev, and he did it. And nowadays I'm enjoying when I'm most of the time taking food alone. Sitting alone in the room, taking a spoonful of food, chew, chew, looking at Gurudev's photo. When I'm alone, it's very beautiful. Chew, chew, chew. So suppose you don't want to eat fruit, you want to drink fruit juice. You will tell Swamiji, fresh fruit juice. I have made it at home. I told a little humor. I said, how many oranges for a glass of orange juice? 4, 5. Suppose 4 oranges, 3 oranges. How long it will take to chew it, orange as it is? Swamiji, it will take quite a few minutes time. How many minutes it takes to drink 1 glass of orange juice? Oh, few seconds. I said, do you know, when you do this, God will take your teeth away. So what? My teeth away? Yes. Because you are not using your teeth. God has given you teeth to chew and you are now drinking. The baby drinks, baby sucks. So you have to become baby, so no teeth. God will take your teeth away. Chew, chew, eat. So even food should be good. Food should be eaten in proper quantity and food should be chewed. Chew, 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 chew. My Gurudev used to say sometimes while taking food, if anybody ate very quickly, he said, why are you eating so quick? In the next life, you will be a bird. The bird swallows. The birds, many birds, they swallow. If you think of pigeon and others, they swallow the grain. So, for this body, what more we need to do? I told you, exercises, rest, food, and food should be healthy in proper quantity. The body should be kept active as much as possible. Now, this is our tuning up of the body. Now come to tuning up the mind. When I am speaking of mind, I told you mind, intellect, ego, and memory, 4 together. I'll go first to the memory. How is your memory? God has given brain power and memory. How is your memory? My memory is good, but not so good. Why not? Do you know this? What is this memory? Let us think. Memory is the storehouse. Those who use computer, they knew that computer has a memory. And in the computer, in the memory, we store different files. And sometimes we check how much memory is left. I don't know the language of computer engineers are there or Swami Atmavidyananda is an engineer. So megabyte, gigabytes, they can talk somewhere byte. So if there is memory is overloaded, you have to delete it. Useless memory, which are not. So other some files, you delete the files. Take it to, what is that? Recycle bin. Thank God they are not using garbage. Our memory, how is it? Is it good or bad? Test your memory. Our memory is remembering good things or bad things. How to test the memory? Because the thoughts which are coming to you, which type of thoughts this thing happened. So take care of your memory. The best memory is that memory who remembers who am I. From where did I come? Why did I come? What are I doing? Am I doing to fulfill the purpose for which I have come to this world? Real memory is that memory who knows who am I and who knows his or her relationship with the one who has brought us to this world. That is real memory. If one is aware of this memory, this is the grade one. Other memory, for example, to remember useful things. A child should remember school books, whatever is being taught. A child should remember the questions to be answered and how to answer in the examination. We should remember how to work. So useful thoughts, useful ideas, it should be there in the memory. Memory should be tuned up. Tuning up of memory. Then comes, after memory comes ego. Is ego good or bad? Most of the people will tell ego is not good. My friend, ego is an inner instrument. It is useful. Ego is useful. I'll give the example. What is ego? Ego is like chili or spice or oil. It is useful, but in moderation. If you use too much of chili, the food is spoiled. If you use too much of salt, food is not palatable. If it is too oily, unhealthy. Ego is useful because when we live in this world, we have to live with two identities. One identity of the world, another identity with the divine, which I already spoke to you. When I live in the world, suppose it happens, in the immigration they ask you, look at your passport, they ask you a few questions, you have to answer what they ask. Many times they ask, in which country did you live the most? It's a very difficult question. Which countries you visited during last 5 days? It's also a difficult question. So, however, ego is my present identity. Sometimes they ask me, what is your religion? So, this outer identity is needed, but it should be a little bit polished. Suppose I am child of a rich person. So I think I am rich. I read sometimes back, one father who was a very rich businessman, he sent his son, go away for 2 years, don't keep my identity and maintain your livelihood and come back. And he did this. It is in India. He went to South India, to Kerala. He is from West India. Without giving his identity, real identity from the father's side, he gave his own identity. I have started this much, and he started working. 2 years he worked, and then he came back without giving identity of. One little child asked me here in this North America. He asked me, "Can you come to my home?" I asked, "You have a home?" He said, "Yes, my home." I said, "Where is your home?" And the child told the address. I said, "It is your home or your father's house, your father's home?" "My home." The child could not really understand me. We call our father's house as my home. This is my room. I don't want to share my room with my brother also. Ego. If God has given us something, we should be sharing, caring. So, however, we have to tune up our ego in a careful manner. You are a great person in your house, but you are an ordinary person on the street. So, now coming to intellect. God has made everybody intelligent. We all are intelligent. We all have intellect. But do you know what intellect is? What intelligence is? Cleverness is not intelligence. Today I read one quote. The quote is, when I was young, I was thinking, those who are clever, they are great. Now when I have become old, I realize those who are kind, they are great. Younger people think one who is clever, doing this, doing that. So what is intellect? What is intelligence? Intelligence is that faculty in each one of us which enables us to take right decision in right time, in right moment. Healthy decision in healthy moment of time is intellect, intelligence. My friends, do we take right decision? Are we happy with our decision in our life? When some problem is coming, can we take good decision? We tell Swamiji, I'm confused. One who is confused cannot take good decision. So be intelligent, tune up your memory, tune up your ego, tune up your intelligence. How to take healthy decision? If your mind is peaceful, if your life is joyful, if there is peace within, then your intelligence will increase. Decision making. Now come to memory, mind. What is mind? My friends, my dear ones, we all have mind. Have we really understood our mind? Have we really analyzed our mind? Have we really taken good care of the mind? What is this tuning up? Unfortunately, as I'm talking today to you, neither our school teachers nor our parents ever they told you how to take care of mind, even for body also. How many people that really teach us? We are human beings. In ancient time, The children were taught from childhood how to take care of the body, how to take care of the mind, everything. You will say, is it so? Yes. When? It was in Gurukula. They were taught. They were taught how to pray, how to grow up in a healthy way. However, we have to tune up our mind, how to take care of our mind. What is mind? I'll give a few definitions of mind. Mind is flow of thoughts. Mind is the doubting faculty in each individual. So with these two definitions, mind is a flow of thoughts, mind is the doubting faculties. So why mind doubts? Because I am cheated, because I was in trouble, because this thing happened. So memory and mind, they all are linked. Memory, intellect, ego, and mind, they're interlinked. Mind is doubtful. Suppose somebody wanted to make friendship with me. My mind doubts if this person is genuine or not. There's nothing wrong to doubt. Mind is useful. So mind doubts it is good. I should know the person, then I should move forward or move backward. Without knowing, I should not be too close to the person. I should see what food is. Is it good for me or not? One day, why one day? It was my first visit to Germany. So I was in a city, 1994. So they asked me, Swamiji, you can come for afternoon, evening tiffin. I said, I don't want, and if I need, I can take some cookies somebody gave me, I can take it. One person told me, you should read the label before you take it. So I started reading the labels. I was really shocked to see it was some cookie, there is fish oil. Can anybody imagine? Then I told everybody, there is fish oil in cookie. One sadhu, it is not a story, it happened. I will not tell who the sadhu was, a monk, very reputed monk of India. He was visiting Mumbai. So they stayed in a devotee's place. So they gave everything to cook, and they had the disciple to cook. They gave some spices. So the food was very palatable. The monk said, the food is very good, delicious. So they liked the food and they used the spices. Afterwards they found the spice is non-vegetarian. Spice packaged spice, they found there is some non-vegetarian stuff. So read the label. So mind to doubt is nothing wrong. Mind will doubt, let it doubt. But there should be readiness of intellect to take a decision. So tuning up mind with intellect. Otherwise your doubting mind will bring hell to you. You cannot make friendship with anybody. You cannot take food. If you go on analyzing food, those who study Ayurveda, they study Dravya Guna, the qualities. So there is a humor about a new Ayurvedic doctor, and he found every Dravya had some dosha. Suppose eggplant, it has this trouble. Potato has this trouble. So he went on finding out the trouble. Do you know what happened to him? He thought, what shall I eat? Everything has trouble. In the same way, if you go on finding fault in everybody, doubting everybody, you can't live. So doubt will be there, decision should be there. Mind is the doubting faculty. Tune up your mind gradually to be free from doubts through quick and healthy decision making. The second definition of mind is the flow of thoughts. Which type of thoughts are coming to you? Mostly negative thought. Then it tells what type of person you are. 24 hours. Because what I'm telling, I'm doing that. The mind is a good servant. Mind is a bad master. I'll tell one story of Swami Sri Yukteswarji. He had few parables. He said there was a young man who wanted to be rich. He was bugging a sadhu, tell me something, how to be rich, how to be rich. One day the sadhu, being kind to him, he said, okay, you are telling again and again, but I will tell you the way, but be careful. He said, what? There is a mantra. If you chant the mantra, a goblin will come to you. But the goblin needs constant employment. He said, I have so many things to do. I'll keep employed. So he said, okay, you take this mantra and chant it in this. He told the procedure. And when he did it, the goblin came. Goblin said, I'm here, give me work. But one condition, you have to keep me employed all the time. If you don't keep me employed, engaged all the time, I'll kill you. He said, I have so much of work, I'll give you enough work. He said, tell me what to do. I need a big house. He thought house means it will take many months. In no time, he built the house. He came back, house is built. His house is built. He saw the house is built. I need this, I need that. Whatever he wanted, it was done in short time. Give me work. He has no work. He said, if you don't give, I'll kill you. He said, just wait, I'm coming. He ran to his guru. He said, save me. The goblin is troubling me. He said, I told you, the goblin, the mother. Then do one thing, my child. You tell the goblin to dig one well to get water. Old times, people were collecting water from the well. So, when you make the well ready, you will tell him to have 7 rings, iron rings to fix in the wall, to enter into the well, and this side again 7 to come up. So, do it. Then what will do? Then when the goblin will make ready, he will tell, go down and come up. Go down and come up. So long as I don't tell you to do something. So to keep the goblin busy, engaged. So he went and told goblin, dig a well. No time. He said 7 rings, fix iron rings to go down. Did it. Another this side, did it. You go in this side, into water, come up, go and come up, go and come up. So he did it. Then when he did it, the young man, he came to his guru. He said, I'm really grateful to you. The goblin is busy. So this story is, Sri Yukteswar is telling, your mind is the goblin. Mind needs engagement. Are you keeping your mind engaged? And what type of engagement your mind has? So mind is a servant. It should be engaged. If the mind is engaged in good thing, good thoughts will come. If mind is engaged in negative thing will come, negative thought. So to use the mind as much as possible, not to keep the mind let free. My Gurudev used to tell, mind is like a dog. You have a pet dog and you want to shampoo the body, wash the body nicely. So you wash the body, dog is now clean. And if you let the dog free, what the dog will do? Those who have dog or little common sense, they know. The dog will go and roll. Shaking the body and roll. Roll on the ground or roll on the lawn or roll. Don't let the dog roll anywhere, keep the dog tired. Similarly, the mind is like a dog. It is needed to be tired, not to be given completely free. Go wherever you want. It should be cleaned, clean it. It should be engaged. Tuning of the mind for what? Now I come to BMW, body, mind, wellness, tune up. I think something like this to talk, the theme. Now what is wellness? Health of the body, health of the mind, dynamism of the body, dynamism of the mind, practical use of the body, practical use of the mind. How? My Gurudev used to say that to keep the body healthy, to keep the mind beautiful, the simplest way, along with, as I told you, is prayer and meditation. Pray to God every day. And do not keep a very simple prayer with you and read it every day. You will tell which prayer. You make your own prayer. I recommend, there is a beautiful prayer, prayer of St. Francis. O Lord, make me an instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring love. And so on. Have a prayer and read it every day. Read it with little reflection. It takes every day, try to meditate a little. Meditation helps to tune up body, mind, intellect, ego, everything. Meditate every day. It will help you. Life, as I told you, is a precious opportunity. God has given us limited time. We don't know what is tomorrow. Why not today? There is a proverb. It is from Doha of Sant Kabir. If you have to do something tomorrow, do it today. If you want to do something today, do it now. My Gurudev said, don't procrastinate. Procrastination is a thief of time. If you go on procrastinating, you will not get success. We have to be up and doing from now and onwards. I will sum up my talk. God has given us this brain. We should make it useful through memory, mind, intellect, and ego. It's from here. And keep the brain healthy. Provide more oxygen to the brain. To provide more oxygen to the brain, breathe properly and bow to God. Bend your body. We go to the temple, we bend our body. I don't think in church they bend too much. They bend a little, not too much. To bend a little more. Provide more oxygen to the brain. Make your spine flexible. To keep the spine flexible, you can practice any exercise to keep your spine healthy. And as I told you about the mind, we should be careful of our food. We should be exercising daily as much as possible, maybe few minutes. It doesn't mean that we have to have. And main thing above all this is cheerfulness. Cheerfulness, positive attitude are highly essential for toning up and tuning up our body, mind, and life. How is your attitude? I'll conclude with an example. There was a teacher and showing a glass half filled with water and half empty. He told the students, look, what is in this glass? One student said, sir, it is half empty. Another student said, no, sir. He's telling wrong. It's half full. So Ananda said, no, sir. I feel it's completely full. F-U-L-L, completely full. The teacher asked this first student, why do you say it is half empty? He said, because if there is half empty, there is nothing, it is air. Half full, there is half water. One who said it is half empty, all are correct. He is pessimistic with negative attitude. How is our attitude? Negative. We have something. We are not content with that. First, I have this. Then I will think how to increase. I don't have. It begins with I don't have. There was a boy. Somebody asked him, what is your name? He said, I have two names. So your two names? Yes. What are your two names? He said, one name is John. Another name is No John. He said, what is this? He said, everybody calls me John, but my mom tells me, no John, don't go there, no John. So I have two names, one is John and one is No John. So are you pessimistic? Are you negative in your thinking? How is your attitude? The boy who said half full, it is positive attitude. It is there. Then one who told it is complete, it is a spiritual attitude, mystical attitude, half with water, half with air. It is not empty. In this creation, there is no emptiness at all. Gurudev used to sing a song of Tagore, Shunya tahara purna karuko tabo dakshina pani arup tomar bani. Shunya means emptiness. Purna means completeness. One who looks at zero, it is empty. But one who looks at zero, it is complete round. So, if you want to make your life complete, this is the way. Our attitude, our outlook, our cheerfulness, problem will come. There is no life without problem. And you will ask Swamiji, you have problem? Yes, I have problem. Who doesn't have problem? Didn't Jesus have problem? Didn't Krishna have problem? Didn't Rama have problem? We all have problems. Problems will come, but let us not break down. I was telling a few days ago, I was asking Sampurnanji, I said, what is shock observer? And she wanted to describe shock observer in the motor car. So I said, we all should have shock observer. Because this body is BMW motor car. We should have shock observer. Any shock comes, we should not be shocked. We should not break down. Our body and mind should be trained in such a way to observe all sorrowful, sad, unpleasant information are happening, but to move forward, just like the vehicle moves forward. So let our life move forward. Now, to conclude in one sentence, in this BMW, we all are riding this body and mind, but don't know who is there, who is driving it. Driver is God within, and He is driving this motor car. Not we. We think that I am working. He is helping each limb to move. He is making the lung to breathe. He is making the heart to pump and make blood circulation everywhere. We take food, he is digesting, nourishing the body. Never forget the driver. There is a beautiful song in Bengali. Ami jantra, tumi jantri, ami rath, tumi rathi, ami ghar, tumi gharani. I am the instrument, you are the operator. I am the house, you are the householder. I am the chariot, you are the chariot driver. O God, O Divine Mother, lead me as you wish.